Welcome to a new level of interior decor with Art3d 3D diamond design paneling, featuring a striking raised diamond pattern that adds depth and luxury to any wall. Crafted from high-quality PVC, these panels are durable, lightweight, waterproof, and easy to maintain, making them perfect for long-lasting beauty. Installation is a breeze with a DIY-friendly design that requires no professional help or complex tools, letting your creativity shine. Each package includes 33 panels measuring 11.8 by 11.8 inches, covering a total of 32 square feet for a bold accent wall. These versatile panels work great in living rooms, bedrooms, offices, and gaming setups, instantly elevating your space. The gold finish adds a glamorous touch, reflecting light and enhancing your room's ambience. For any questions or installation help, dedicated customer support is always ready to assist you. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.